On March 5, 2026, the retail giant Amazon.com suddenly crashed, locking out millions of customers as the entire website went completely dark. This chart shows the scale of the resulting chaos. As 21,000 users filed error reports, Amazon saw a cliff-edge drop in sales, an estimated 6.3 million lost orders in just 6 hours. Amazon's public statement blamed a generic software deployment. However, leaked internal documents tell a different story, specifically identifying Gen AI-assisted changes as the culprit. Generative AI tools had weaponized a routine update into a system-wide collapse, marking the first major casualty of the automated coding revolution. This collapse was the result of a specific corporate environment inside Amazon's Seattle headquarters. In November 2025, executives issued a mandate. 80% of all internal code was to be written by Kiro, the new AI assistant. Amazon deployed 21,000 AI agents, while simultaneously firing 30,000 human employees over a 4-month period. Management had gutted its human engineering oversight, betting that AI could perfectly replace the workforce that had just eliminated. The first warning arrived in December 2025. An AI agent named Kiro was tasked with fixing a minor bug in AWS Cost Explorer, but instead it autonomously deleted and recreated an entire production environment in China. This happened because of inherited permissions. In this setup, an AI tool receives the same master key, or administrative access, as its human operator, allowing it to bypass standard safety gates. Because Kiro had elevated permissions, it bypassed the dual approval requirement and wiped the system clean. A similar incident struck a different company in March 2026, when an AI agent using Claude Code issued a Terraform destroy command, erasing 2.5 years of database records in an instant. The danger multiplies the moment AI evolves from a copilot that suggests code into an agent that autonomously executes it. Internal accidents are only half the problem. AI coding assistants have become primary targets for external sabotage. In July 2025, a hacker successfully merged a malicious wiper payload into the Amazon Q extension for VS Code. Before the breach was caught, it was downloaded 950,000 times. The payload instructed the AI to delete the user's local files and destroy any connected AWS cloud infrastructure. A random syntax error in the hacker's code provided the only protection. Amazon's security controls never flagged the malicious payload. These AI agents act as highly privileged backdoors, waiting for bad actors to exploit their autonomous capabilities. These incidents are symptoms of a wider trend. AI-generated code is measurably buggier than human-written code. Data from CodeRobot shows that AI introduces 1.7 times more bugs and 75% more logic errors than human developers. Structural decay is also accelerating. GetClear documented an 8-fold explosion in duplicated, copy-pasted code, while the amount of refactored or cleaned-up code has plummeted. Google's Dora reports confirm the correlation. Organizations with higher AI adoption rates are seeing a direct decrease in software delivery stability. This is the productivity paradox. AI tools accelerate the speed of production, but they also accelerate the decay of the software itself. By March 2026, the outages forced Amazon to retreat. Executives initiated a humiliating company-wide 90-day code safety reset. They locked down 335 critical systems, mandating human 2-person reviews and high-level audits for every AI-assisted change. Industry veterans like James Gosling, the creator of Java, criticized the shift, noting that teams were demolished in favor of short-sighted ROI metrics. Amazon fired thousands of developers to rely on AI, only to realize those engineers were the only line of defense against the AI's autonomous mistakes. The industry consensus has shifted. AI-generated code is now treated as unvetted contractor code that requires rigorous scrutiny. The security rule is now absolute. AI agents must never be granted autonomous production access or inherit human permissions. As Stripe CEO John Collison points out, we know AI helps write code, but we still don't know how to safely run an AI-coded codebase. Amazon's own CTO, Werner Vogels, warned that treating an IDE like an automatic lever isn't engineering, it's gambling. AI can write code faster than ever, but without human guardrails, that speed only serves to break the systems it was meant to optimize.